revealing the top star that's been supplying Earth with energy for several billion years, our own Sun. It is a dynamic bubbling object with incredible magnetism, on which periodically occurs so-called coronal mass ejections. The force of the explosion is so great that several billion tons of material erupts at a speed of 1.5 million kilometers per hour. And while our satellites take years to reach the Sun, the coronal ejection reaches Earth in just a couple of days. By the way, every billion years the Sun gets 10% brighter. In fourth place are the remnants of celestial bodies formed during the formation of the solar system, asteroids. The funny thing is that despite the huge size of the Earth, a collision with a body the size of 3 kilometers could lead to the destruction of our entire civilization. In the past, the fall of an asteroid the size of Mount Everest has already caused mass extinctions of animals. But it's been almost 65 million years since then. In third place, the protoplanet Theia. A collision with such a giant would have torn our planet completely to pieces, and instead of Earth today, it would have been another asteroid belt. But luckily for us, instead of a direct hit, Theia went off on a tangent. The Earth turned into a molten sphere, raging huge oceans of magma up to 100 kilometers deep. A bunch of fragments flew off and remained in orbit as a huge ring around the planet. Over time, gravity pulled the rocks together, and that's how the Moon came to be. Second place goes to one of the greatest cataclysms in the universe, the supernova explosion. Supernovae are stars that, at the end of their life cycle, instead of burning out quietly, explode, releasing more energy than they have produced in their entire lives. Supernovae come in many sizes and types, and they are all so bright that they are visible from billions of light years away. The most dangerous and powerful cosmic object in the universe is a black hole. Unlike a neutron star, a black hole can grow indefinitely, consuming stars, planets, and the like. Some supermassive black holes can make whole galaxies spin around them. For example, our Milky Way revolves around such a monster. Well, in the center of many young galaxies, black holes absorb so much matter that they do not have time to cram everything into themselves, and as a result, the excess is thrown into space by huge jets of energy. The width of the jet can be 20 times larger than the solar system, and the brightness is hundreds of times greater than the total power of all the stars in galaxies like ours. The amount of gas ejected is equivalent to 10 planet Earths per minute. This phenomenon is called a quasar, and it is widely regarded as the deadliest force in the universe.